Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, my students. Today we will complete our lesson that we previously took last time, which is lesson 3, unit 9. We will complete it. We will start by the listening, so you will overhear with me a conversation between two students, and they will give us new words we are going to take. So make sure you're having your copybook with you and you have a pencil to write these notes with me on it. So make sure you're having these two things before we even start. Number 1, plastic utensils. Again, listen carefully. Plastic utensils. Plastic utensils. These plastic utensils. What does it mean, plastic utensils? Plastic utensils is, the spoons, fork, knife, plates, bowls, all of these things, we call them plastic utensils. We call them plastic utensils. It means you can take them with you. If you are going out, you can take them with you. So they're very easy to clean and very easy to use outside. So they are mainly from plastic because this is plastic. And utensils, fork, spoon, plates, bowls, pans, all of these are utensils. Number 2, backpack. Again, backpack. A backpack. A backpack. A bag, it's a bag because it takes this thing because we put it in the bag so you can put it behind your back. And you can pack things in. That's why we call it a backpack. So, number 1, plastic utensils. Number 2, a backpack. Number 3 is a torch. A torch. Usually when it gets dark outside, in the camping site, for example, where there is no electricity to use to produce light, you can bring with you a torch so as to use it as a light. You can use it wherever you are. If you would like to read something, for example, you need to bring a big torch. So a torch is for light, or a light. So usually you need to bring some batteries in it so as to switch it on. Jeans, jeans, kind of trousers. Jeans, kind of trousers. Cooking equipment. What do you think when you cook? You need to bring something with you to cook with. For example, the cooker. It could be pans, it could be some utensils. This is the equipment. Cooking equipment. Cooking equipment. A journal. A journal. Journal, it's something like a diary. You need to bring something with you to write on it. What happens every day with you. And once you write it down in your diary, then this is the diary or this is that journal. So a journal is a diary. What does it mean, diary? Diary, it means something you write, things that happens with you daily in your diary or journal. A tent. If you would like to make a tent when you go camping, you need first of all to set a tent. What does it mean, set a tent? To build a tent, to bring a large piece of cloth, then to bring a wooden poles, put them and fix them on the ground. After that, fix all your tent to sleep in, to stay in, and to do everything in. A tent. A waterproof jacket. This word is really important. Waterproof. A waterproof jacket. A waterproof watch. So waterproof, it means it's well protected to, for example, to prevent water from getting in. So if something is waterproof, it means it protects you from water to get in or comes in. So waterproof jacket, a jacket you wear to protect you from, for example, from the rain, and to protect you from maybe if you're walking in the jungle. So it could be some water on the trees, for example. So yes, you need to bring a waterproof jacket and a waterproof watch as well. And MB3 player. Maybe someone of you ask, Mister, it's Anne here. Why did you write M? And this is a good question. It's supposed to be an MB3 player. That's really good. Why did you, or what was written here, and instead of a? Listen carefully. We're dealing with the sound, not with the letters. So when you say M, look at this, M. So what do you hear? Vowel or consonant? M. That's good. So that's a vowel. When it comes to vowel, you need to write an MB3 player, not an MB3. Look at this one. I'm struggling to read this word or even to say this word. An MB3 player or an MB3 player. Sleeping bag, it's a bag you put yourself in to sleep in. So you feel warm in this bag, and this is sleeping bag. So you've got the chance now to listen to this conversation, and now you've got the words that you need to understand before you listen. So we'll take you to listen to this conversation. Listen carefully, stop the recording whenever it's necessary to do that. So I will give you the chance now to listen and make sure you understand these words. If you still don't understand them, please stop the recording and play back until you start again and understand them again and again and again. Listen carefully to this one. So as you've heard, they are planning to do something, to go camping. So they are, as you may hear, all of these words are being used in this conversation or in that conversation. Okay, so let us take something else. Okay, we've got two halves of the sentence. You can write them down. I will give you the chance to write this sentence down. I think we will definitely need, there will be, do you think we will need, okay? Things for eating, no electric light, take everything else ourselves, sleeping bag. Get back to the soundtracks that you have heard before and try to match these two halves. So what will you do? It's some kind of homework you will do. You will listen to the sound try to measure the two halves. For example, I think we will have to sleep in the bed, or we will have to take everything else ourselves, or we will have to no electric light, or I think we will have to things for eating. What do you think? I think we will have to take everything else ourselves. So that's an example, and you need to complete the rest of this. Okay, the last point here in our session, how to offer to do something, how to suggest to do something. We've got three things to suggest. We've got three things. For example, how about? Usually when you use how about, you suggest something. For example, I've got my friend, I would like to take him to drink coffee, for example. So I use how about this. Look, how about drinking coffee? How about visiting our friend? How about taking you to trip? How about camping outside? So when you suggest to someone, you can use how about, but the verb should be plus ing. How about eating? How about drinking? How about studying? How about reading? Okay, why don't we? This is another way to suggest something. Why don't we go to the cafe, for example? Why don't we go to the library to read some books? Why don't we go to, for example, Mr. Minia to make him explain to us something, or we need his help in English, for example, in some points in English language. Why don't we go now? Why don't we stay now? It's too late. Why don't we stay? Why don't we eat something? So why don't we, the verb without ing, let's play, let's eat, let's drink, let's study, let's read, let's go. So this is another way to say your suggestion. So we've got 3 points. We've got 3 main points to suggest something for someone to do it. How about? Okay, how about going to the cinema? The same sentence. Why don't we go to the cinema? Let's go to the cinema. So, one sentence, 3 different ways to express the suggestion. That was our session for today. I hope you did enjoy the session, and I will meet you in the graduation next session. Thank you very much for watching this, and see you soon. Do not forget